gay. I pick up some McDonald's and Alex shows me his legs.
Swashy. Right, I'm with that. Right, Will, tell us what you're seeing. I can hear the thunder as well. Right, so hello everyone. I'm walking back to some biker. I don't even know if I'm in frame. He's walked out of shot. You join me and Will at McDonald's in Rayleigh because just where are we off to today? You tell him. It's your birthday. It's your idea.
I'm eating.
I don't give a fuck. Tell the people.
I'm eating.
Such a bitch. We're off to Snetterton today for the VSB. It is currently, what is it, about 6:15? And there's a thunderstorm happening that way. And that's where I've just come from. So I think we timed this right. But we're going to wait for everyone else. And we're going to enjoy some Maccas. So I'll cut back to you all when we're leaving. Right, so everyone's here. Quick little walk around what we got. R7, Fireblade, 1290 I believe. It's a Triumph Daytona, MT-07, my bike, another 07, CB650F, Fireblade, I can't remember which one that is. And then back there we've got an SV650 and a Gixxer 600. But yeah, I think it is time to make a move.
Firefly and Alex for that place then.
Thank you. Oh really?
Yeah, it's really annoying. I need a new visor anyway because it's the one that scratched the fuck, but it's still annoying. Wobbles a lot.
He's doing alright.
Cuzzy bro.
How's he, bro?
Cuzzy GoPro.
With the same 32 remap on the picture.
Shut up! Did I tell you that one of the new trainers that started over at Rod? Like, because obviously when you start up on a door, you don't want to be half a fucking mile away and blow the doorway out as well. You just want the door to...
If I got the giant arm, go for it.
Yeah. I'm Texas. Oh, it's like I said, just both. I've known him for 10 years. Look him up, what's the fire? Look him up!
Out dreadnought. You better watch out, or we are coming for you.
I just noticed I'm doing 80 mile an hour. Standard.
I journeyed with sitting someone the other day doing 70 and I was like, fuck me.
Ironically, was Irish. So we had Nora the Irish woman and Boris the Russian man. It was well funny. And this little fucking village pub.
You gave me the go on last time, it's your turn. Speak, bastard!
Dispatch was I just want to be taken out of the back and shot. That's my favourite part. I just want to be taken out of the back and shot. Until I hear you fucking idiots. Don't know who up there. But on Netflix they have a series. It's I think it's an offshoot. What the fuck? What are you doing?
you trying to piss him off?
I don't know. Cause... Go on, send it. See what I'll give a fuck. I'll give a fuck. You look for white. Cool, yeah, look, we get priority parking, big man. Thank you for visiting. I've only just got here, you cunt. Bikes, lane 2. Race teams and paddock only. Ooh. That's it, wave us on, big man.
That's it, earn that.
Come on, you folks, what are you doing?
They're riding in together.
Okay.
He's still got his indicator on.
Oh no.
Oh well, I'll try flashing him. I cannot wait to sweat my bollocks off.
At least it's not as bad as it was yesterday.
Yeah. I like a little plane statue on the left, that's pretty sweet.
So what?
The plane statue on the left, big silver thing.
Didn't see. That's not a bike, mate. Public camping. And I'm gonna stop letting through.
Store your gear here. Nah, it's alright.
Charity helmet and kit storage. What does that mean, that they just keep it? Oh, they've got bike stands. That's cool.
I've already got one.
I'm grabbing one.
Who's bibbing?
Him, he's got it fucking jammed up on his thing.
Right, I'm gonna go ahead because I've already got one. Oh, a bit of off-roading, Rev.
Does that mean we get to keep these as well?
Oh, I should have grabbed one just to keep one.
I can't hear.
Have you got me a spare?
Huh?
So I should have grabbed one to keep one. But it's big like that.
Get fucked.
Yeah, fuck. Right, someone's guiding us in.
Fucking dust, man.
Right, so we have arrived. I'm sure you can hear all the bikes in the background, but there's also quite a few bikes here in the parking. I'm gonna be bold and just leave my jacket and helmet on the bike. I'm sure it'll be fine. Should have bought my top box. But yeah, we're gonna head in. Look at this geezer. Look at this geezer. And this one.
Sorry, censorship.
I think you're gonna be banned, friend.
Between the lines.
But yeah, we're gonna head in and I'll come back at some point.
Guy.
Only for you, darling, still. Alex, you got one because you didn't work for 6 months. Right, I've got a quick break in the races. I've walked Jamie over here because we're getting close to trying to get a bit of pictures. Jamie, how are we finding it so far? It's sick. I don't know if you can hear him to be honest because of the wind, but he said it's sick. But yeah, so we both got cameras, as you can see. And yeah, we're going to wait for the next race, I guess. But all good so far.
But don't let it dry, it got plastic.
on the rocket racing triumph, when they're all
especially if you want to camp at those events. Can I say hello to my nephew Daniel and his partner Emma in the Jim Russell stand?
Definitely got a park on the inside somewhere.
Now gang is all over here now. Alex has just died on the floor. Burn. And then we got Jamie with the camera and my camera. Yeah.
Right, well, we're heading back now, but I thought I'd quickly show a little bit of what's in it. Right, fuck off, yeah? Just because it's your birthday? Yes, that will be going in. Yeah, there's quite a lot in it. Where the fuck is my bike? I've left my jacket on it as well, so I've got to see if that's still there, because it's been bloody windy. Oh no, they can't. You can't find the bikes, interesting. Positive. No, we're definitely on this bit somewhere. Hang on, no, we're over here! Guys, I can see our bikes! You know what I saw a flash of white of a flip plate. I was like, that's Alex's bike. How do you feel about today's event?
Hot, look how burnt I am, bro.
Embarrassing.
Look at that.
Squashy. Right, and with that, we're gonna go home.
So, where's the actual way out then?
Jay! You want come?
I'm in, yeah.
Is it that way?
Huh?
Is it that way?
I don't know.
Oh, there's a gate there, but it's closed.
I'm assuming that way, because that's where we came in, isn't it?
You're off-roading still.
Say something? Someone say something?
Hello.
Oh, there we go. It's got to be in the right volume setting, otherwise it's really quiet.
Put me in here.
Yeah.
Hello, brother.
Hello,
Come
darling.
on, bastard.
You bloody fucking bastard.
I am.
Come on, Riley.
I burned head.
Yeah, Jay, back off. He's going to spin the back wheel like fuck.
Riley?
Yeah. Ooh, another Gen 1 MT. It's in purple as well.
Oh, is it purple?
Yeah. A lot of triples as well, aren't there?
Yeah.
Oh, the dust is unreal.
Oh, I could have taken an extra bike stand.
Just cleaning off my back wheel, and it was grippier than I thought.
Got Maccas over there.